And special thanks to this company, as they were nice enough to send us these clear acrylic brochure countertop and wall mounts. They hold an 8x5 by 11-inch sheet of paper, and nothing to really show you on the box. Let me open it up and show you what these are. So inside of here, you will get 2 of these, number 1 and number 2. And well, that's it for the box. And as you can see, they have 2 options. So you could either use screws to mount it to the wall, or of course you can just take it and sit it exactly like that. And then you're able to load in your brochures or your information for whatever it is you're trying to sell, and you're able to put one on each side of your counter, considering this is a 2-pack. Nice acrylic material, feels good and strong, and like I said, love that it's wall mountable or that you can sit it. So the choice is yours. Thanks again to this company for sending me this set of acrylic brochure holders. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.